This is an exercise called fives. We're going to be using all 5 fingers. Your thumb starts on mid or C. We go 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, and back down again. 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, and finish on the thumb. Okay, this is the full speed. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. You can also do this in the left hand. So your left hand would start with your thumb on a G and your little finger 5 on low C. So we're still going to do the same finger numbers. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 4, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, and finish on a thumb. So you can do this hands together, same finger numbers at the same time, but the hands will be working in opposite directions. 1s, 2s, 1s, 3s, 1s, 4s, 1s, 5s, 1s, 4s, 1s, 3s, 1s, 2s, 1s. When you get super good, you can play it a little bit faster.